Joe Beermaster. We have a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to change the vehicle settings for the oil, etc. You want to start the car. You want to do this in an outdoor place so you have plenty of ventilation. And we're going to go over here to the steering wheel and we're going to press the little green square there. And it's giving you maintenance on the tire. And we're going to press it again. Comes the vehicle settings. Now we're going to scroll down by hitting this enter. Up and down. So we're going to go. Gives you different choices here. Auto room lamp, light sensitivity on and on. And just keep going down with this. Wiper speed. All different choices here. I just keep going, hitting this down. Auto door unlock, remote start, on and on, battery saver. So that's all the choices. So now I'm going to go back up. Keep going back up. A lot of settings here. People don't even know about it. All right, so now we're going to go back, get out of this. Go back to main selection, down. All right, so now I'm going to go back into it again. I'm just going to keep pressing the square button. Go down the main menu. Hit the square. So now I'm going to go keep hitting that. Now it gives you the settings, the average gas, and if you want to reset it, press the green button and it will reset everything. Hit the button and everything goes back down to 0. So that's how you reset everything. So we just started the car again. I'm going to show you how to check the maintenance. You're going to go to the little square box. Comes up maintenance and oil filter. So we're going to hit the square box again. Keep hitting it. There's no warnings. Now we can scroll down. There's maintenance. So I'm going to select it. And no warnings come up. So that's how it is. And if there's something there, then you just go back and reset it. But since there's nothing there, there's no maintenance required on this vehicle. So I'm going to go back again and just keep hitting it. Control the audio through here, the source button. No warnings, no maintenance. And that's it. Just keep hitting it. Go back to factory reset on it. That's it, Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. And that's how you get to the main menu. Using this and scroll up and down. And it's self-explanatory.